Hi there, good evening. My name is Frances. I live here in Maryland. Just recently, I got a new job as an assistant case manager where I'm working with kids and adults with developmental disabilities. The agency that I'm a part of provides services in the following areas: behavioral support, community development services, day rehabilitation services, personal support, and respite services. Prior to becoming an assistant case manager, I was an assistant special ed teacher working with teens with autism for over 10 years. This is my first year at Widener in the social work program, and this is my fourth class in the social work program. And all the classes that I've taken up to this point have been really fascinating. I have felt challenged and I have been forced to think outside of the box, but in total, there have been great experiences. So with this class that I'm a part of, social work, I'm curious to know further about how policy really works and how it affects everyone in everyday life, and the impact that it has. So I'm looking forward to getting to know everyone, working with everybody, and I wish you all a good rest of the spring semester. Take care.